Hello everyone. I'd like to show you how to reset all positions to zero on your Casio EQS 500. First, we need to orient you with the basic buttons and dials, whatnot. Uh, this is your push button A, and then your push button B, push button C, push button D. Then you have your day of the month indicator, your right hand dial that has your days of the week, alarm, stopwatch mode indicator, daylight saving time, standard time. And then you have this lower left hand dial that has your current home time settings, uh, 60 minutes indicator, and then your world time setting in 24-hour mode. That's your upper left hand dial. Your hour hand, minute hand, and then the red one is your second hand, seconds hand. um, First, we need to hold and press your push button C for more than 3 seconds until you hear it beep twice. Okay, upon doing that, you need to press your push button D and hold it for 2 to 3 seconds. Okay, now we need to align all hands in the 12 o'clock position. So you need to align your seconds hand on the top, your minute hand, your hour hand, and this dial needs to be on top too. This dial needs to be on top. This dial needs to be on top as well. And the day setting needs to be set to day number 1 or first day. Now let's do that. You can move your seconds hand forward and backward using push button B and D. As you can see, yeah, forward or clockwise. Okay. Oh, so, I'm sorry. Seems that we can only go one way. Okay. Now that we're happy with that, it's in the 12 o'clock portion. We can push button C again. So this one will go to the hour and minute hand positioning. As you can see, it's trying to locate its current position and also the 24-hour dial. I can stop this anytime by pressing push button D. Oh, sorry, no. Okay. Hmm. You can move it backwards and forward as I said earlier. Just for the purpose of this exercise, I can show it to you, but I just recently calibrated a while ago, so that's the goal here, to align the second hand, minute hand, and hour hand to 12 o'clock, and this 24-hour dial on the top as well. Now if I switch to the next mode, it will go to this dial. See where it's the current position right now. Okay, again I can move it forward using push button D or backward using push button B. Okay, seems that we are all in zero position. This, 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 and this. If I enter this mode, it ask me if I want to align this dial. I think I can do that, show it to you guys. The goal is to put it again on the 12 o'clock direction. Okay, so I'm happy with that. I'm happy with the hour hand, minute hand, and second hand. I'm happy with this 24-hour dial pointing up, this 60-minute dial pointing up. So the last but not the least is aligning this, or putting this in the day one. Day one is it's zero position too. Right now it's trying to recall or show us its current state. Like I said earlier, I just calibrated this a while ago, so probably will show us day one. As soon as it stops, let's say for example it stops at day 5, you can use push button B and push button D to forward and backward. Push it forward or backward, then go to day 1. It will show us right now probably day 1 because I just calibrated this earlier. Okay, let's say it's in day day 2. I'll stop it. I want to go back to day 1. Again, the goal here is to put this on day 1. Pressing B right now. Okay, stop. Shows I'm in day 1. Come on, a little more. Okay, so all hands are facing the 12 o'clock or up position. This is on day 1. I'm happy with that. So to finalize our zero set calibration, just press push button C one more time and then push button A. Then our zero set position calibration is completed. So today is September 15, 6:18 p.m. Let's see if it remembers that. Okay, and this is how you calibrate your Casio Edifice EQS 500. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.